have you ever stopped to think that your kidneys, those small, silent organs, might be the key players in your overall well-being? It might sound surprising, but kidney health is the foundation of a long and healthy life, and the truth is, many of us underestimate their importance until something goes wrong. It's not common to hear about the direct link between healthy kidneys and a fulfilling life, but that's precisely what makes all the difference. And what if I told you that simple changes in your diet could be the key to preserving these organs and ensuring they continue to function perfectly? Yes, the answer lies in what you put on your plate every day. Let's find out how taking care of your kidneys can be easier and tastier than you imagine. The importance of kidney health. Maintaining kidney health is something that few value until a problem arises, but these small organs are true guardians of our well-being. Imagine them as a natural filtration system, tirelessly working to remove toxins and keep everything circulating in the body in balance. Now, if you want to lower your creatinine levels, for example, there's no way around it. You need to take care of these filters with care. Kidney health not only affects renal function but is closely linked to the overall functioning of the body. Every time you drink a glass of water or choose a healthy food, you are investing in the longevity of these vital organs. If someone asked how to preserve this health, the answer might seem simple, but it's essentially powerful. A balanced diet, constant hydration, and avoiding excess are key. Think of your kidneys as silent partners in your life journey, deserving as much attention as the heart or the brain. Small daily choices, such as avoiding ultra-processed foods and prioritizing natural options, make a significant difference. The simple act of controlling salt intake, for example, can be crucial in keeping blood pressure at levels that do not overload these important organs. Interestingly, the food choices that favor kidney health also bring benefits to other parts of the body. And speaking of diet, did you know that there are fruits that, even though rich in nutrients, should be consumed in moderation? This leads us to consider a very popular tropical fruit that requires special care for those looking to preserve kidney health: mango. Mangoes, those delicious tropical fruits that many love, hide a valuable secret for health. They are rich in antioxidants, especially a substance called mangiferin, which helps combat the dreaded free radicals. These free radicals, when uncontrolled, can cause cellular damage that affects not only the skin but also kidney health. Now, despite being sweet and juicy fruits, many kidney patients wonder whether or not they can consume them due to their potassium content. The good news is that, in moderation, mangoes can be part of a healthy diet, even for those who need to take special care of their kidneys. Imagine a hot summer day, and you savoring a slice of chilled mango. It seems simple, but this choice can be a powerful ally in your health journey. The trick is not to overdo it. For those who need to take care of kidney health, balance is the keyword. Consuming a controlled portion of mango can offer antioxidant benefits without overloading the kidneys with excess potassium. This is an example of how conscious eating can be tasty and beneficial at the same time, without giving up pleasure. This caution with potassium intake doesn't just apply to mangoes. It's an important aspect that should be considered in many food choices, especially when we talk about foods that, at first glance, seem completely harmless. And since we're talking about taking care of your diet, let's explore a category of foods that is often misunderstood but can be an excellent option for kidney health: legumes and beans. Legumes and beans are often seen as basic and healthy foods, but for those who need to take care of their kidneys, they require a closer look. These foods are incredible sources of fiber and essential minerals like iron and magnesium, which play crucial roles in overall health. However, it's important to choose wisely, especially when the goal is to protect kidney health. Beans and other legumes can be great allies, as long as they are selected with care. Varieties like green beans and peas are recommended because they are lower in potassium, making them safe and nutritious for those who need to follow a restrictive renal diet. Think of a hot pea soup on a cold night. Besides being comforting, this dish is a way to incorporate essential nutrients without overloading your kidneys. That's because legumes like green beans and peas have a lower potassium content compared to other legumes, allowing you to enjoy their benefits without worrying so much about the impacts on your renal system. Maintaining a balanced and varied diet that includes these foods can be a smart strategy for those who want to protect their kidneys while ensuring the intake of vital nutrients. But the relationship between food and kidney health goes beyond what we usually think. Every choice, every meal, can be an opportunity to nourish your body efficiently. And speaking of food choices, let's explore another fruit that, despite being delicious, is especially suitable for those who need a renal diet: prunes. Prunes are a true gift from nature, especially for those who are mindful of kidney health. With their sweet and slightly tart flavor, they not only please the palate but also offer a rich source of antioxidants, such as anthocyanins. These antioxidants play a fundamental role in protecting kidney cells from oxidative stress, one of the silent villains that can harm kidney function over time. Moreover, prunes have the advantage of being low in potassium, making them a safe and tasty option for those who need to follow a controlled renal diet. Imagine incorporating prunes into an afternoon snack or as part of a balanced breakfast. Besides being delicious, these fruits can help maintain kidney health, offering a healthy alternative to other foods that may be richer in potassium. With their combination of flavor and benefits, prunes are a smart choice for those who want to take care of their health without giving up the pleasure of eating well. The simplicity of adding a few prunes to your morning yogurt, for example, can have a positive and lasting impact on your kidney health. And since healthy eating is always a matter of balance and choice, we should also consider the grain options that make up daily meals. Rice, in its various forms, is one of the pillars of many people's diets and can be an excellent ally in maintaining kidney health. Let's better understand how choosing the right rice can make all the difference. Rice choices. Rice is a versatile food and a staple on many tables around the world, but not all types of rice are the same when it comes to taking care of kidney health. For those who need to monitor sodium, potassium, and phosphorus levels, white rice is often the best choice. It is naturally low in these minerals, making it safe and suitable for a renal diet. However, this does not mean you have to give up flavor or variety. On the contrary, white rice can be the base of nutritious and flavorful dishes that respect your body's needs. Imagine a simple dish like chicken risotto with white rice, prepared with fresh ingredients and light seasonings. This is a perfect example of how white rice can be incorporated into meals that not only nourish but also promote kidney health. For those seeking an option slightly richer in fiber, brown rice or parboiled rice can also be included in the diet, as long as consumption is controlled and balanced. This way, you can enjoy a diverse and nutritious diet without compromising the health of your kidneys. And speaking of balance, we cannot forget the importance of leafy greens in our daily diet. Certain types of leafy greens can be a powerful addition to your diet, but they also require careful management due to their potassium content. Let's explore next how these choices can be made intelligently to further favor kidney health. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables, such as kale and spinach, are true superfoods, packed with nutrients that benefit the entire body, including the kidneys. These greens are known for their alkalinity, which helps maintain the body's pH balance, a crucial factor for proper kidney function. However, because they are rich in potassium, it is essential for those who need to monitor kidney health to consume these vegetables in moderation and with care. Even with this caution, these greens can be an important part of a healthy diet, helping to strengthen the immune system and protect vital organs. Imagine starting the day with a green smoothie made with kale, apple, and lemon. Besides being refreshing, this drink is a practical way to consume greens, balancing nutrients without overdoing the potassium. The key here is moderation, controlled portions that allow you to enjoy the benefits without compromising kidney health. Incorporating these greens into salads, stir-fries, or even juices can be a delicious way to diversify your diet while taking care of your health consciously and effectively. Now, when thinking about fruits that can help with kidney health, a special highlight goes to pomegranate. This fruit, in addition to being delicious, offers properties that can protect the kidneys from damage and help improve their function. Let's explore the benefits of pomegranate next. Pomegranate is often celebrated for its antioxidant properties, but what many don't know is that it can also be a powerful ally in protecting the kidneys. This fruit is full of compounds that help reduce oxidative stress, one of the main factors contributing to cellular damage in the kidneys. By consuming pomegranate regularly, you may be strengthening your kidney health naturally and deliciously. Pomegranate juice, for example, is an excellent way to enjoy these benefits, helping to protect renal tissues and promoting better kidney function over time. Imagine including a glass of pomegranate juice in your daily routine, especially as part of breakfast. This simple addition can make a significant difference, not only for its richness in antioxidants but also for its ability to improve circulation and, consequently, overall kidney health. Furthermore, pomegranate is a versatile fruit that can be consumed in various ways, whether in salads, desserts, or as a snack. Incorporating this fruit into your diet is a tasty way to take care of your kidneys and promote overall well-being. As you adopt these healthy habits, such as consuming foods that directly benefit kidney health, you will not only be protecting your kidneys but also ensuring a longer and healthier life. This continuous journey of kidney care is essential to maintaining overall body health. Now, with all this information in hand, it's time to reflect on how to apply it and transform your life through more conscious and healthy choices. After learning about the importance of each food for kidney health, you might be wondering, what can I do today to start taking better care of these vital organs? The answer is simple: start applying what you've learned right now. Small changes in your diet can have a huge impact on your kidney health, and consequently, on your quality of life. How about starting by incorporating a fruit like pomegranate into your routine or opting for white rice in your daily meals? Ask yourself, what am I doing today to ensure my kidneys function well tomorrow? Don't leave it for later, your kidneys deserve this attention now. And if you want to keep learning about how to improve your health and transform your life, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss any content that can make all the difference in your well-being.